No cop, no stop.
That's fucking mint.
I'm about to lose my hat.
Yeah. I got mine on backwards, so I'm good. I'm an arrow.
Damn, I thought that was a cop.
I love Mexico.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, they have weavers in Mexico? What? That's crazy. We're gonna stop at the Mexican shop.
This is great weather for this. Vlogging in the bed of a pickup truck. Hell yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're taking the bed off a truck. We're fixing some C's bolts, and then we're gonna ride in the bed of the truck to pick up some Slim Jims.
Meanwhile, that already all happened. What's going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're up at Bragg's Speed Shop, which is my man's Brian right here. There's all kinds of cool projects going on here.
It's pretty sweet.
Like the Highboy, 66 Fury. There's a SM95 Cobra out front.
True. We got engines everywhere.
We got a punching bag. Yeah, we got engines. Here's a mint Gruberu. This is the green version of the Marubaru, except for it's automatic, but it's smaller. Thing's got rod neck since he's owned it, but
30,000 miles.
Yep, still rocking it.
Diesel oil.
Got some tires. We got more tires over on this side of the shop. It's pretty dark, so you probably can't see anything. Hashtag GoPro lighting. But Brian just got a new welder, so we're gonna unbox that. And we did some other stuff previously before I introed this video, but that's all right because we're just gonna pretend that it was after this.
You'll see that later.
Yeah, so all right, let's pull this motherfucker off. Yeah, pick it up higher. Alright, that was good. Good thing I had gloves, I would hurt like a bitch. I fucking hit the gas fucking.
This is so mint.
Dude, that thing looks badass without a van!
I'm gonna do a Y, and then I'm gonna do a return style card. Let's see. Brand new. Look at that. That's from the factory. Jesus Christ, how many times do you need to fucking eBay? Oh yeah. Look at that action. Damn, that's fucking heavy.
Super 351 intake.
Why do you put it on a fucking piece of plywood? That's metal.
Don't taste it.
Why?
Full pump ride?
It should be a Holly pump.
No, it's not. It's not the carb. It's not the carb.
What the fuck is this? Oh, it gave me bolts for it too? Nice and rusty.
Oh, ready? Ready for this? Brand new. Brand new right out of the box.
Straight from Holly.
Here's your plate.
What the f?
It's a rising plate, ain't it? Something like that.
It's a throttle spacer.
Look at that.
Gives
Perfect.
you more vacuum
Can you hear
ports.
it? Can you hear it now? Oh, he fucked you.
On what?
Look at that. It's cracked.
Where?
Bro. Where?
JB Weld.
What the fuck is that, bro?
Alright guys, so when you're taking out your intake manifold bolts on your Windsor motor and the bolts seize in the head and they snap inside the head and then you go to drill them out, you'll end up with one pilot hole working great. And then when you move over to the other one, you'll get your 1/8 inch titanium drill bit
From Harbor Freight?
from Harbor Freight. It was $6 and it'll seize right inside there. You'll try with another titanium drill bit to drill it out, and titanium on titanium doesn't do anything. Steel won't do anything. So you got to go to the hardware store and pick up carbide. So we're gonna give this a new shot. We're gonna give this a shot. It's $18.
Switch to the bigger drill.
If I put some PB on it, you think that'd help?
I was gonna say you might want a little bit.
That was fun.
I got a motion in my I got pussy juice out of there. Looks like a fake
2 hours later.
Yo, what the fuck happened?
So,
GoPro lighting.
after 20 minutes of carbide burrs and pushing up from the bottom.
Oh,
Wonderful. Now we just gotta drill this out a little bit more, tap it, and our intake should be good to go.
Is that it? Is that all you can do? Here, let me see that. You just give me that.
These are supposed to be able to cut through pretty much anything, including carbide, they said. I don't know if I buy that, but they should definitely cut through high-strength steel and hopefully not the iron in the head. Just keep that on it. I don't like what that just did. Oh, it just went straight through it. Wow. So hard.
Alright, other side. This side should be a lot easier.
Yeah, the carb. This will center it a little bit more.
It's still there.
If that isn't the most violent thing you've ever seen.
I definitely feel like that holds off some of
I definitely feel like you can suck my dick. Ford factory.
Definitely. With the little 1/4-inch breaker bar on the. Yeah, it's kind of working mint actually. Until you fucking take it out and there's no threads.
Why don't you just hook some dice with
Oh shit.
Oh, that's factory right there. It's gonna start getting tougher. Anytime you're putting an engine together, if you don't have a pool of PB Blaster on your water pump, you're doing something wrong.
Alright guys, about to unbox this Eastwood because Millers are for pussies.
Oh.
Oh, see how thick they make that tape? It's because it costs more. Oh,
It doesn't cost more.
see that? Right here, we got a cute manual. It basically explains why Eastwoods are better than Millers.
Well, the Miller's broken right now, and
This-
the Eastwood's running, so I'd say Eastwoods are better.
Yeah, this is scrap wood. Come up here, we got our nice, this thing. It's pretty nice.
Nice this thing.
Here's our gun.
This reminds me of like that kid opening that thing and he's like, oh, an avocado. Right here we got a regulator. This is for your torch. It's actually a combo. It comes with a torch and a welder. Pretty dope. I'm just gonna come down in here and the good stuff. Pull this out. This is our toolbox.
Oh, it's black.
Yeah, black.
That's mint.
It's got this cute label on the side basically to show you that it's an Eastwood and not a Miller because Millers suck.
Oh, and it doesn't need 220, so that's kind of mint because we don't have 220 yet at the
Well,
shop.
it's 3/16 stainless.
Gonna show you guys the guts here. All this tape. So they tape it because they don't want people to think it's a Miller.
Where's that knife? They make a torch attachment so that way you can weld aluminum with it too, so that way you don't need a TIG.
Look at that. Eastwood.
At Miller.
And how much was this?
This was $314.
Not too bad, not too bad.
Cheaper than fixing the Miller.
Yeah, so basically, Brian, do you want to explain what broke on your Miller?
So basically, I got an older Miller Sidekick, which does 110 and 220. And I got everything ready for it. I had the cart, I had the gun, I had the wire, I had the gas, and it wouldn't lay a good bead. It was just kind of spattering. So what ended up happening is it just kind of shut off. So I took it to this welding shop, and long story short, they said the rectifier's pretty much done. So
Which costs how much money?
if you don't know what welders are, the rectifier is kind of the heart of the welder, and it's a $300 part, and to get it fixed all out, it'd be like $400. So I got this instead, and it's supposed to do everything else that the Miller does and more. And it's got a 3-year unlimited warranty, and it's made in America, like 40 minutes from us.
Mint.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Well, I can't see jack shit.
Oh, you have an auto back mode?
Alright, I'm gonna try to make a bead now.
Yo, that thing's not welding right.
Bro, it's welding, right?
No, it's not.
It's a little too hot.
Do you hear it? That's not.
Open the gas. Let's turn the gas up a little bit. And turn the wire speed up a little bit. This definitely seems like it's too hot for this.
I feel like we should just turn this.
It's like burning
You need
through.
to turn this down
Okay.
to like there and leave your wire speed where it was at. Because you had too much heat.
I know, so I want more wire.
Yeah, but we turned the heat down.
Okay, hold
So just start with that. Do one thing at a time. Alright. I feel like it's still too hot. I want to try it.
We're on, you're good. You're good.